The 21 Accents Academy is an interactive training hub with in-depth premium content, like our globally successful accent training courses, expert tip videos, workshops, drills, Q&As, and more.
Always.
And lift the way a little bit more into your cheekbone. Always.
Always. Always.
Yes. That's all you need. That little bit.
I like to look at it from the perspective of demographics plus mindset equals sound.
Football. We're not saying football. Football. Football.
Your identity is not just how you sound, it's also who you are. This is not accent reduction, it's accent expansion.
Whether your goals are personal or professional, we offer 4 tiers that continue to expand as we regularly add new content. When you select a tier, you get everything in that level and all the tiers below yours. And when something new is added, you'll be the first to know. Starting at just $4.99, our low monthly memberships fulfill our mission to make excellent training affordable for everyone. The first tier is Get Started General American. Dive into robust video courses and tips with fun, fast, revolutionary techniques that have enabled countless people to fulfill their goals.
Grow. Good. So again, if your R is more forward, grr, or when I do that, my tongue is reflexed. You can always do this. Great. Grow. And then you'll know if your tongue is trying to push up. Schwa. Yes. The second vowel is A, banana. And what's the third vowel? Schwa. I know. 3 A's. 2 of them aren't an A. They're an A. Yeah. Why? Because American.
You'll also receive great perks that are continually updated. In the UK and Commonwealth tier, you get everything in the first tier, plus courses that cover key United Kingdom and Commonwealth accents.
Ask.
Good. And you can relax your throat a little. Ask.
Ask.
Good. You feel the difference?
Stop.
Stop. Take your hand and we'll do this. Stop.
Stop.
You feel how that like sends something into your throat and something into your nose. Both need to be there.
The next tier adds on some regional United States accents.
Farm. Something you don't get a lot of in New York. Farm. It's kind of like you blow a bubble and you pop it. Okay, so it's like,
Farm.
Nice.
Let the corner of your mouth come up towards your cheekbone a little bit. Wild
Wild
rice.
rice.
Wild rice.
Wild rice.
There you are.
And if you want it all, plus advanced accent courses, archives, and more, try All Access for only $19.99 a month and bring your authentic expression to the next level. Unleash your potential and connect with our global family at the 21 Accents Academy. Vibes to unleashing your authentic self.